everybody, welcome back to DIY with Daysha and doTERRA, and today I'm going to be making peppermint chocolate chip ice cream. So it's going to be so good. I'm so excited, and it also has spinach in it too, so it's going to be really good. So my mom is chopping up the chocolate over there, so you want to have that ready, but I forgot, so she's doing it. So first step, I have my trusty blender, Vitamix, right here. And so you're going to add in 1 handful of spinach. There we go, spinach. And then we're going to add 1 cup of milk. It's heavy. So there we go. Milk. There's Mom. She cut up the chocolate. She ate it. Okay, so now we're going to blend this, and I'll see you when it's all blended. Okay, so it's all blended. I have this green mixture, and we blended it because you don't want chunks of spinach in your teeth. Gross. And also, we're sneaking it in because spinach doesn't taste like much, and it's going in ice cream, so. And also gives it the green color that we have right there. So then, wait, I need to put this milk away. Then we are going to add the sugar and blend it until it dissolves. So I'm going to show you that. Why do these things need to be so hard to open? Fizzy. Okay, so I have my sugar. I'm going to, it smells like spinach. We're going to pour in and blend it until it dissolves. So you're just going to want to blend it and it'll end up melting in. Sugar is in. And you can check by like using a spoon and like pressing on the side, and if it doesn't feel like sand, then it's done. But I'm just gonna see when it's done. Okay, so we have our green mixture with sugar. So now you add peppermint to taste. So what you're gonna do? Okay, it's blended. That's good. You're going to add 3 drops of peppermint. You gotta be careful. Peppermint is strong. So we're gonna add 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna blend it real quick. And then we're gonna taste it. And if it needs more, we'll add more. Oh, I can smell it. Blend it real quick. Oh, it smells minty. Oh, that's so good. Okay, we have the peppermint. So now we're going to add our vanilla and our heavy cream. So we need 3/4 a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And this is just vanilla extract, so we don't need a... Oh, that is so good. I'm so excited. So we're going to add... I'm just eyeballing it because we don't have a 3/4 measuring system in our household right now, so. Mom, we need more vanilla, just so you know. Add that to the shopping list. There we go. Done. Close. Okay, so now we're gonna add our heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna need 2 cups of this. Or heavy cream, not whipping cream, but we have whipping cream. So pour it. Oh. Oh my gosh. spilt it in, and it wasn't in the cup. So that's probably about. It sounded like that right before I even got it in the cup. Oh gosh, I almost fell again. Oh wow, that works nice. One of these has 2 full cups in it. Boom. Now we wait. No, I'm just kidding. Wait that long. We're impatient people. Now we blend. I'll see you when it's blended. Okay, so it's all blended. So now you have to taste it. I'm gonna add 1 more drop of peppermint because I accidentally did the peppermint second to last, and you're supposed to do it last, so just a heads up. Taste it after you put in the heavy cream, if you do it like I did. Now we're just gonna do this real quick. This thing is so hard to get on. Oh yeah, and you could also just blend up the spinach and then mix it in another bowl. But I have to do the dishes and I don't want to do all that, so. Oh, that is good. Okay, so we have our container right here. It is so cold and it has ice on it. But this is our ice cream machine. You want to put it in for 12 hours. And so I have it all set up.
No, 20 minutes.
No, the freezer thing.
Oh, after. Yeah.
12 hours, and then you could put the ice cream in. Oh my gosh. So then, I have everything in my blender, and I'm going to pour it in the machine. Oh, it fits just perfectly. Okay, so I poured everything in. Now we add in our chocolate chips. Oh, it looks so good and fit perfectly. Okay, so we're gonna add in how up to your taste. Oh gosh, I'm failing. I'm not gonna add in all of this since that's a lot, but that's good. Here. Okay, so now we pop this on. And we're gonna leave it on for 20 minutes. Let me put this on right there. Put on the lid. And now we turn it on for 20, and we leave it for 20 minutes, and you can put it, and that'll make it frozen ice cream, or frozen yogurt, and then you put it in and it turns into ice cream. See you guys to progress update. We're halfway done. Looks so good. So I'm back. It's been like an hour and our thing still is liquid, but it is definitely way colder and way firmer than before. So usually in colder climates like in California, by now it would turn into like a thick soft serve and you have to scrape the sides. But we live in Hawaii and yeah, so we have liquid, but we will freeze it and then I'm going to taste it. We will freeze it and I'm going to taste test this liquid right after I pour it in. So we just like to pour it into our Tupperwares. And usually you have to like scrape the sides because it's so thick. Oh, what? Whoa, this one has all the chocolate chips. Okay, give me 1 second. I need to distribute this evenly. So I have this on the spoon. It's super liquidy. But I'm going to try it because it tastes the same when it's frozen anyways. That is so good. It'd be better with chocolate chips, but all the chocolate chips sunk to the bottom. So, I'm definitely having this after dinner tonight.
After dinner.
This is so good. I do recommend it. Make sure to come back. I'll be making another video next week and might be with the whole family. So We'll see how that goes. Bye, guys.